Introducing the Broadview lots. 2 premium parcels offering the zoning and potential for thoughtfully designed semi-detached residences. Created for modern, flexible living, with up to 3 fully self-contained units per residence. This delivers exceptional versatility for today's evolving lifestyle. With easy access to Toronto's downtown core, whether you're designing a family, an investment, or both, these residences are built to adapt. And it goes without saying, the location is exceptional. Just minutes from the water, minutes to Snug Harbor, where boating and fishing await. Moments to Port Credit's vibrant downtown core. You're only minutes to the GO train for convenient connected travel. And the Credit River is practically in your backyard, all while being surrounded by estate mansions and top-rated schools. These premium lots are exceptionally deep, creating the opportunity to build garden suites. The main residence features open concept living, seamlessly connecting the kitchen, dining, and family spaces into one cohesive environment. And on Lot 43, there's already an existing residence, offering the option to retain the home and simply add your own personal touches. This is more than a development concept. It's a forward-thinking approach to housing,